Eating of a cake would mean your first taste as husband and wife. Feeding the cake to each other signifies the couple's public declaration of a mutual commitment to take care of one's partner and always provide for one another. As you partake it, may you be reminded to share at whatever life has to offer from this point onwards. Let's witness our newly wedded couple in their slicing of cake and eating of it. Okay, kiss ka no, Apo. Once again, our newly wedded couple, Janly and Lovely. To love someone deeply gives you strength. Being loved by someone gives you courage. May we now come to the toasting of wine to be led by our one of the groomsmen or the best man. May I request then the sponsors to stand and be a part of their toasting. The wine enlivens the spirits and soul to be more courageous, to go through life, whatever problems, troubles, difficulties, and worries may come in couple's life. So now, the couple will drink to a long life, good, healthy, and endless love. Ladies and gentlemen, may we join the families of our newly wedded couple, giving them some good cheers through a toast.
I wish for the newlywed couple to have a happy life, to provide solutions for all their problems, uh, pass through all the hurdles in their life, and forever they may be happy. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our newly wedded couple to partake their toast of life. Let's give them a resounding applause, please. Now let's witness again our newly wedded couple for their sweet dance.
To you, boy. also request the parents of our couple to please also join them in their dance. Again, may we also request the parents of our couple to please join our couple to their dance. And would like again to appeal to the principal sponsors. This is not yet your time to give your gifts to our couple. May dawat apo kadagiti principal sponsors. Saan pa apo na ito iti nang itudyo kadagiti bituryo. Acknowledge the presence of Sangguniang Bayan member Honorable Glenn George Caigan. So as we continue the celebration of the wedding of Janly and Lovely, may we now come to the highlight, the most awaited part of the celebration, which is the giving of gifts to our couple, most especially those who stand as witnesses as they exchange their vows, our principal sponsors. So dito yun, apo tayo sagana yun dagiti ikwan, i-regalo yun. Alright, so first on the list, we have Mayor and Mrs. Maximo D. Caigal, Vice Mayor and Mrs. Alwin G. Rubio, We have also ABC President and the Provincial Treasurer Virgilio M. Calahate, Sangguniang Bayan Member and Mrs. Romnick James Turalba, Sangguniang Bayan Member Abner Cahigal, Sangguniang Bayan Member and Mrs. Glenn George Cahigal, Sangguniang Bayan Member Teodoro Calonghe, Sangguniang Bayan Member Mary Pauline Lacuesta, Sangguniang Bayan Member Divina Gracia Barlahan, Sangguniang Bayan Member and Mrs. Jason Rubio, Sangguniang Bayan Member Tom Christopher Turalba, Punong Barangay J.M. Cahigal, Punong Barangay and Mrs. Samuel Liana, Daytay Manama nga Barangay Chairman ti Barangay Alogoog, and our punong barangay of Barangay Gareta, J.M. Cahigal. Basita 25. Nayunam. We have here with us also our Sangguniang Bayan Member, Richard Cahigal. We have also Punong Barangay and Mrs. Sherman Valdez. Nated Kanon. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Edmond Mayubay. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Efren Caryaga. We have also Punong Barangay and Mrs. Dennis Rabaca. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Gilbert Idian. We have also Punong Barangay and Mrs. Edgardo Baldonado. Punong Barangay and SBM Nenita Palafox. May we also call on Punong Barangay and Mrs. Arnold Bautista. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Rolly Magbual. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Christopher Galindo. Next, we have Punong Barangay and Mrs. Edgard Laida. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Mark Gregory Tiburcio. Ingo! Apo ne da ingun manama. Mano dera? 50 mil? Agsubli ka na 50 mil dera. Next, we have Punong Barangay and Mrs. Mauricio Digap. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Juan Aganon. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Stanley Laida. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Vic Aureliano. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Rolet Velasco. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Marcos Rubio. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Eric Taklay. Next, we have Punong Barangay and Mrs. Brian Joshua Fernandez. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Antonio Balbas. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Nick Baldos. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Rogelio Dahilig. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Gaspar Ranyada. Punong Barangay and Mrs. Jose de la Cuesta. Next, we have Kagawad and Mrs. Reynald Ibarra. May we also call on Miss Sharon Birosel. Mr. Almante Raceles. Mr. and Mrs. Dante Balagat. Mr. and Mrs. Randy Samoy. Mr. and Mrs. Roland Dagdagan. Mr. and Mrs. Angie Agapay. Mr. and Mrs. Elmer Tahon. Mr. and Mrs. Wilfredo Dagdagan. Mr. Edgar Rosete. Mr. and Mrs. Ladislao Bautista Jr. Mr. and Mrs. Rene Cariaga. Miss Helita Agapay. Mr. and Mrs. Arnel Lagasca. Iliw. Mr. and Mrs. Alex Pagdilaw. Mr. and Mrs. Romel Semana. Mr. and Mrs. Romy Balilia. Mr. and Mrs. Michael Agamao. Mr. and Mrs. Rosebelt Agamao. Correction, Mr. and Mrs. Rosebelt Kalaykay Kano. Iso, agbasbasa lang una po na eh. Mr. and Mrs. James Dahilig. Mr. and Mrs. Victor Dahilig. Mr. and Mrs. Reynaldo Dahilig. Mrs. Mariam Panizales. Mr. and Mrs. Eddie Valera. We have also Mr. and Mrs. Wilfredo Agatep. Mr. and Mrs. Efren Carino. Mr. Edmond Batara. Mrs. Marilyn Gozo. Mr. and Mrs. Froilan Dahilig. Mr. and Mrs. Harold Laforga. Mr. and Mrs. Noli Ocate. Mr. and Mrs. Romel Gamayo. Mr. and Mrs. Angel Digap. We have also Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Balneg. Mr. and Mrs. Darius Bernabe. Mr. and Mrs. Francisco de la Rosa. Mr. and Mrs. Richard Cristobal. Mr. and Mrs. Richard Agustin.
We also have Mrs. Victoria Magbaleta. Mr. and Mrs. Jimmy Salvacion. Kagawad and Mrs. Bernardo Salisi. Mr. and Mrs. Joel Arizabal. Mr. and Mrs. Johnny Diaz. Mr. and Mrs. Maximo Agapay. Mr. and Mrs. Froilan Pagdilaw. Mr. and Mrs. Emerson Balilia. Mr. and Mrs. Edmar Agapay. Kagawad and Mrs. Emerito Ordanel. Mr. and Mrs. Davis Pagdilaw. Mr. Mario Pagdilaw.